Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering on the Ps5 and the TV, then sign in so changes apply to your profile. Once done, use the controller to open settings and go straight to screen and video. Make sure video output shows the correct resolution and refresh rate. This matters because HDR behavior depends on 4K/60 Hz versus 1080p. Now select Adjust HDR or Video Output options so you can change how bright highlights and deep shadows display. This is the first actionable move in tuning brightness. You'll now run the Adjust HDR sequence. Follow the prompts carefully and don't skip frames. When the HDR test appears, move the brightness slider until the reference bars match the guide while retaining detail in both brightest and darkest areas. This balances bloom versus crushed blacks. Make sure to switch your TV to game or standard mode to avoid extra processing, and turn off dynamic or adaptive brightness features on the TV if they alter the calibration. This detailed middle step finalizes the Ps5 side brightness tuning. Once satisfied, save the settings and immediately test with a variety of games or HDR demo clips to confirm the change across content types. If something looks too dark or blown out, switch HDR on versus off to compare and adjust again. Sometimes disabling HDR is preferable for certain TVs. If problems persist, update system software, ensure you're using a high-speed or HDMI 2.1 cable, and verify HDR is enabled on the TV. This troubleshooting tip often resolves compatibility or brightness issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.